My name is Ayan. My profession transporting engineer. Transporting engineer is a fleet that distance and manages routes, brightest public transport and city traffic. This profession ensures that people can move safely, quickly, and comfortably. The buses, metros, and highways we use every day are the result of transporting engineer work. Transport engineer use many tools and modern technologies, computer software, AutoCAD for drawing road and bright testings, Kevil 3D for terrain analysis and road stutter testings, PTV for traffic flow simulation, GIS maps for analyzing urban route networks. Measurement tools, laser distance meters, the dollars and the GPS device for surveying, drones for aerial inspection and mapping, traffic analysis methods, counting and analyzing traffic volume, studying route safety, modeling intersections and traffic behavior. Traffic analysis methods, counting and analyzing traffic volume, studying road safety, modeling instruction and traffic behavior. Transporting engineers' main tasks include designing new highways and roads, organizing and regulating traffic in cities, developing plans to reduce traffic congestion, designing bridges, roundabouts, and pedestrian crossings, creating a safe and efficient public transport system, monitoring the technical condition of roads. After finishing the degree, we can work as transport engineers, road testing engineer, urban transport planner, logistic specialist, engineer in road constructing companies, traffic safety analyst. Advantages pros: high value to society, transporting engineer improve roads, brightest and public transport making travel safer and more comfortable for everyone. Strong future demand. Cities are going new highways and transport systems are always needed. This profession will save demand. Disadvantages: very high responsibility, safety of roads, brightness, and traffic systems depends on the engineer. Calculations make things can't be always. A lot of documenting and calculations, drawings, technical reports, measurements, and paperwork take a larger part of the job. Field work, it drift weather conditions. Engineers sometimes work outdoors in inspect constructor city of perform measurements. Transporting engineer is a valuable and promising field. Engineers help cities develop and make everyday travel easier for everyone. It is a responsible and interesting profession for the future.